Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see and talk about what is Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps provides developer services for allowing teams to plan, work, collaborate on code development, build and deploy applications. Azure DevOps supports a collaborative culture and set of processes that bring together developers, project managers, scrum masters, and contributors to develop a software. It allows organizations to create and improve products at a faster pace than they can with traditional software development approaches. You can work with Azure DevOps in the Azure cloud. This is like one of the service which is like being provided by the Azure cloud. And also you can work on premises. You can install Azure DevOps on a physical server. Let's see different services in Azure DevOps. One of the services is like the dashboard, wherein you can create different dashboards and also manage widgets and also navigate throughout the whole project and see what's going on. You can configure different settings within these dashboards. We do have like repository. There are like two different repositories which are like supported in Azure DevOps. One is like a Git based, and the second one is like Team Foundation services. You can choose and like connect to the respective repository and you can store your source code. As you can see on the page, there are like different files, commits, pushes, branch tags. All these things can be like navigated using these links. The next is like boards. In boards you can create work items and you can link different work items with parent child. You can create some tasks. You can also plan sprints. You can create features. All these are like available in Azure boards. Then the next service is like a pipeline. Here you can create pipelines according to the environments. You can plan releases as well. There's like a library where you can create variables. There's like a deployment groups where you want to deploy things. The next is like test plans, wherein you can create manual tests and configure test suites and all. This is also provided in Azure DevOps. Then comes Azure project settings, where you can administer different things with respect to the project. You can add members, you can delete members, assign different permissions. You can configure DevOps agents. You can configure different services. Let's say if you want to connect to Azure cloud from your Azure DevOps, then you can do that as well. So these are like the different services within Azure DevOps. Why do we need Azure DevOps? Why to choose this particular thing? So it is like quickly we can set up. It is also maintenance free operations. It's easy on collaboration across domains, elastic scale, and good security. So within this Azure DevOps, we can get all these things at one place. There's no need to manage like multiple tools as we do like with other CI/CD tools. Thank you for watching my video.